Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to take a splash guard off my buddy's new Gladiator, and we're going to go ahead and trim down the edges to make it look like something like this. And if you come over here, we'll try to show you real quick. Again, here's the stock piece, and then here's the same piece that we're trying to trim the edges. And we're doing this to keep it, and we want to, you don't have to really keep it, but a lot of people like to throw them away, but we want to keep it to keep the internals back here a little protected. That's just kind of temporarily held on right there. So back here are all the connections for the light. And if we go around this side,
flip it. Flip it.
As you can tell, that's my truck. This is my buddy's car. I don't know anything about Jeeps. There we go. So that's usually how that comes. Kind of this ugly gap right here. You want to see the beefy tires. So in the next step, we'll show you how to get it all prepped. Basic, super basic tool trap. X-Acto knife. Any type of blade, little triangle tool, any type of packing tape, Dremel, multi-tool, or you could use something like this. We're kind of using this to kind of trim off the edges, make it a little smooth, but pretty much that's all the tools you're going to need for this setup. So the goal of this is to try to get as clean as cut as line as you can get around the edge right here. And when it comes to this part, we'll kind of get all this going first, and then we'll use the little triangle, and then we'll get a nice little level cut. Now finished. This whole trim piece is officially gone. This belongs in the basura. Alright guys, here's the final product. Everything's all dremeled. Looks like an OEM product now. It actually came out pretty good. We're going to go ahead and get these screwed back on.